I just got these new halo extensions from WENNALIFE, and I'll show you how I put them in and how I style them with my natural hair. So the first thing I do is just section off my halo, and then I'm going to clip it up. So this halo has 4 clips in the back. So I just grab it by the halo, flip it over this sectioned part, and then clip all the little clips in. Then of course you just brush right through here where the wire's at, and it'll blend the wire pretty much for you. So these extensions are about 3 or 4 inches longer than my natural hair. And I'm gonna want these curls to last all day. So I have a few products that are a must-have, and the first one is this Great Berry Heat Protectant by the Beach Waver. And I just spray this like all through my hair and the extensions too. And the next thing that's a must for keeping it is this Team Texture Spray. Again, I just spray this all throughout my hair, even in the extensions. And then I just take that product and just brush it through my hair. And the number one thing I use is the Beach Waver. This is my favorite tool of all time. And I'm going for pretty beachy waves. So I just start in the back, about 1-inch sections. The typical rule is to use the same inch section as your barrel. So this is a 1-inch barrel, so I'm using a 1-inch section. And I'm leaving a little bit of a tail out, and I just kind of take it out, unravel it, and then straighten that end piece. So I'm trying to take pieces that are both my hair and the extensions, just so they'll blend super seamlessly. Please don't mind my dog. He's going crazy. And I don't section my hair. You definitely can if you want to, but I just don't. You kind of take a bottom piece and a top piece, a bottom piece and a top piece as I go around my head. And again, I will show you the result after I get done curling. Okay, here they are all curled. I can't even believe this is what my hair looks like right now. So I go back in with more of this hairspray. And yeah, this is how I'm going to leave my curls. No, I'm just kidding. I like to take a little bit of the Shine Bright serum from the Beach Waver. I'm almost out. And rub it through, and then just comb out these curls. Okay, to the other side. And don't get this stuff, if you get this Shine Bright, don't get it in your roots. But are these not the most perfect beach waves? I am so impressed, and you can shop both using the link in my bio. I also have discount codes.